Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. And in this pattern, this is a reverse right angle triangle pattern, and in this pattern numbers are repeated in each row but in an alternative way, means 1 and 0 numbers are repeated in each row in an alternative way. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we take 1 as lower limit and 6 as upper limit, and inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we take 5 as lower limit, I minus 1 as upper limit, and minus 1 as the step value. And inside this inner for loop we print I variable mod 2 of outer for loop, because this is a row wise pattern, because numbers are repeated in an alternative way in each row. So we print I mod 2, and modulo operator always return reminder, and outside this inner for loop we use empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you run this program, the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to learn and how to understand this pattern. This is an efficient code, or this is an simplest way to understand this pattern. So if you have any query, any question regarding this, you can ask me anytime in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching, and I hope you all understand the pattern programming series from scratch. Have a great day. I know one